Hello guys, how you doing? Today I have a 2024 BMW 540 iX. It's a G60 and we're gonna do an oil change today. Open the hood and you have to locate like the oil cap filter. It's a 32mm socket you will need. And it's located right here behind the cover. We're gonna remove the oil cap, and if you look at there, it's like a 012. Open your oil cap, engine cap over here, and we're gonna release like the oil cap. So we'll lift the car up and drain the oil. To release like your oil cap over here, you pull it out, or you can let it loose there. Take it out. It's up in the air right now, so now we're gonna locate like this cover over here, and now remove it. Just twist it, you unlock it to remove it. And this is like a 17. We're gonna put like a socket in it to open it. 17. Draining the oil. So after that, you have change your washer. Came like with a new filter. We're gonna let the oil to drain completely before you put the screw back in. Okay guys, make sure you change your oil filter oil cap like O-rings, which is like this gasket over here. That's a washer for the drain plug, and also that's a filter. So we're gonna install like the gasket on the oil cap. As you could see guys, the oil is completely like drained. Now I changed my washer O-rings. Now I'm gonna install like my drain plug. Install the plug and also put my cover back. Now I'm gonna drop the car down so that I have to put the oil in it. It's like a 6.7 quart oil that it takes, like about liters, and go from there. Okay guys, this is your filter. I'm gonna reinstall the filter back here. Gotta be careful with the when you tighten it back. It's about like 25 newton meters if you want to torque it. If you don't have the torque, so just like I don't torque it too much because it's a plastic, you don't want to crack it. So okay, again, like we're gonna put like a 6.7 quart liters like on the engine, and it take like a 012. I think that's all for we have for today, so we'll see you around for another video. Please, if you like this video, give me a like and a comment. See you for another day. Okay guys, again, this is like 2024 540 G60, and we're gonna reset the oil change service for today. You have to take the ignition on, push like the starting button for 3 times, 1 2 3, and now the ignition gonna come on. So you stay a little bit until like you see service overdue. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna have to see this button on the steering wheel. You need to see the data chip on the instrument cluster. To do that, you see this like a little round thing. We're gonna hit it. When you hit it, see this is gonna show up right here. Let me see if I could show it a little bit better. See, reduce. So once you do that, and then you're gonna scroll to this little knob over here, up and down, until you hit data trip. We're gonna look that, and then you see trip data. So once you get to the trip data, you're gonna hold this little round button. You're gonna hold it down, Once you hold it down for about like a 20 seconds, and you're gonna see the screen gonna change to auto reset. I'm holding it down right now. See, now it showed up. You let it go, and then you hold it down again for 5 seconds. You let it go, and then you hold it down again for 5 seconds. Okay, you see it's a reset in progress, and then you let it go. See, you're gonna change to green. If you have to reset brakes, you have to reset like a oil change, vehicle check. What else could we reset? Vehicle check, and that's the way you have to do it. After this thing is done, you will shut it down or you start the vehicle. I think that's all for today.